Hi YouTubers!
Hey everyone! And well, what are we doing tonight? Tonight, huh? Blah.
We are making something I have never made before, but he does.
Yes, I have made this a lot in my childhood, and it's been quite a while since I made it last, so... And we got a request for it on her channel, so...
We are making slime.
Yes, slime. And what I've got right here is the ingredients. We have borax. We have clear glue. You can also use the non-clear if you prefer that. You just will not have a translucent effect. And each of these bowls have about a fourth of that container in it. And in these measuring cups are right here in the measuring cups are the borax.
1/4 cup.
Yep, 1/4 cup of it. Everything is about measured in fourths.
1/4 water.
Yep, 1/4 cup water right here. And of course, your food coloring.
Right here.
Yeah.
We got the neon, which is purple, green, pink, blue, and I chose purple.
I chose pink. So,
I'm excited.
yes, what do you say we get started, shall we?
Yes!
Alright, let's zoom the camera in and we'll get this going.
I'm not excited at all.
Alright everyone, right here in the bowls, I don't know if you can see, but we have glue already in the bowls. And what we're going to start off by doing is adding our water. Okay. Add your water in like so. Yeah, put it off to the side here. Then, food coloring next.
Is there specific drops?
2 or 3 drops should do ya. 2 or 3 drops should do ya.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, so I'll do the same. 2, 3. Oh, that's more like 4, but okay. That'll work.
I want to do 4.
I'll do 4. I'm not gonna stop you.
Dork.
Dropping my lid.
Oh, that's kind of soothing watching that.
Yeah, I know, right?
Put the whole bottle in.
Yep. Alright. Now, the fun part. Now, some people suggest doing this with a spoon or something, but I prefer getting right down dirty and doing it with my hand.
Oh, that sounds a lot better.
Alright. So, let's move these down a little bit closer.
Ooh.
Yeah, you see? Mix that around, see that color you're getting?
Well, it's dark. I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Yeah, it is. Now, you just go in, add the borax.
Pretty.
And now take your hand down in here and just start mixing it around, and pretty quickly you start getting a slimy effect.
Oh, that feels weird.
Don't see, look at there, you already
Oh, gee, look at that.
look at that, people. You're already getting
Slime.
slimy. You just keep on mixing till it all mixes in. And this is going to be more of a translucent slime compared to the others that I've done. Yep. Kind of neat, isn't it, hon?
Yeah.
Now, they do sell kits for this at Michael's.
They have like unicorn poop, and they have the brown poopy, and they go in the dark.
Yep.
My favorite was the unicorn poop.
Scoop around the bowl. If you can. Get all that borax you can. And this isn't like super slimy, but it is slimy.
It's squishy.
Yep. Ah, whoop.
Just a little.
Yeah, just a little bit on the table there. And it's starting to kind of go together good now.
I still got a little water at the bottom.
Yeah, you're gonna have a little bit of water left over, so
So that's normal.
Yeah, it's always normal to have a little bit of water left over, so don't worry too much about it. Might want to go get that.
That fat butt can get up.
And as you see, it's just right there. Nice and icky and gooey and fun. Of course, you see it also kind of absorbs some more water too, so. This takes a few minutes to really get it in there properly. So how do you feel about your first time making slime, huh?
I like it. I'll make more. We planned on put glitter in it, but we don't know where the glitter's at.
Yeah, we're currently kind of rearranging things, and it's hard to.
And move me in.
Yeah, which as soon as we get some free time, which I guess you can consider this free time, but we mean like a day, or we're just completely free. We're gonna be moving her in. And that'll get all the water soaked up.
Well, I still got plenty.
Yeah. I'm just kind of swishing it around in the bowl constantly for it to pick up all the water. This is so wicked. It's been so long since I made slime. And it seems to get even better the more you play with it, so. Ain't that right, hon?
Yeah.
See that? Bring it up close to the camera for it to see. Ah. Yeah, but it's very nice and slimy now. I've basically got all the water out of the bowl now. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just kind of running the slime along the bowl, make sure I get all the excess borax and stuff. Ah. Isn't this just wicked, folks? Slime-tastic.
They look like burgers.
I know, right?
Purple burgers.
Yeah, this is pink. It was looking more peachy at first, but it's pink.
But it's neon. So
Yeah.
it'll just feel a little slimier now. After
Yeah, the more you play with it, like I said, the more you play with it, the more slimy it gets. Are you noticing that's starting to pick up all your water now?
Yeah, I got all of it up now. After I did what you did.
You just gotta play with it. Get your mind out of the gutter. Ah.
I love it. I want to make more. But I only brought like 2 containers.
Speaking of containers, let me go get our containers.
Okay.
Ow.
You okay?
Yep.
Wow, that's like pretty and purple. Oh, that is slimy. Look at that.
And we got these nice little containers here for just $1
At Michael's.
at Michael's. So, and these are like perfect size for our slime.
Yep. So we are going to do a separate video of ASMR.
Yeah, of little slime sounds and stuff.
I did show you a little clip. Trying to get what I can out of the bow.
Yep.
So I really want to make more now. Did you take your ring off? I didn't.
I didn't take mine off.
I have to take it off in the next video.
Yep.
Mine just likes my hand.
Let's see if I can.
Literally.
What about me? The blob that ate everyone.
I just pulled up.
Now, if you can tell me who wrote that book, I'll be very impressed.
Stephen King?
Nope.
And I have no idea.
R.L. Stein.
Goosebumps,
Yeah.
right? Jeez. How can I not forget that?
Now, see? Go right down in the container, like so.
Can you open mine?
I had to use my armpit, but yeah.
Yeah, it's like really stuck on mine. And thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so awesome.
Don't let that go to my head, that's all I gotta say.
He already has, I think.
Yeah. Someone says I'm awesome. I mean, it's gonna.
Go through your head.
Yep. And right there is a slime. Mine. In the container. Icky!
Did I get outside? Yes, I did.
And just put a lid on hers. And there you go, people. 2 batches of slime. And like I said, the whole recipe's in fourths, so it's pretty easy to remember.
And this costed...
More than what I should have.
Yeah. Like the stuff I got at Michael's was $5.
Yep.
The stuff we got at Food Line was $10.
Yep.
So... it's more than what I was wanting to pay for, but oh well.
Back whenever I used to make this whenever I was younger, didn't cost near this much. But yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Hello, phone. And we will see you again.
And I do want to say, if you want to see more stuff like this, you can always support me. I could put my PayPal below. Because I make like under $900 a month, and I can't afford to paying for this stuff all the time.
Yeah, it's very hard to pay for everything, and we'll put the link down in the description and everything. So please donate if you like our stuff.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to.
Yeah.
This kind of helps me. Because I love making stuff like this.
Yep.
You know, I want to make it with you. Is that a little...
Okay. But yeah,
So- Yeah, I'm also going to make fidget spinners. I ordered the mode. And that was like $12.
yep. So we got gummy fidget. We're gonna make gummy fidget spinners. I'm gonna have to buy some bearings though for them. I'll just buy some cheap fidget spinners, just rubber, and get the bearings out of them.
You can always do a video of destroying the fidget spinners.
Yep.
Sorry.
Getting slime all over my table, huh?
I'm sorry.
But again, we'll see you again in another little doobly-doo video thingamabopper. Watch the hand. Yes, watch the hand.